Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Shiba Inu price prediction and Shiba Inu news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Shiba Inu in 2022. Let me remind you a little about what Shiba Inu is. The Shiba Inu aspire to become an analog of Ethereum Dogecoin. Dogecoin is based on the SHIB algorithm. Shiba Inu with SHIB token are part of a whole flock of canine cryptocurrencies collected from Baby Dogecoin, Baby Doge, Dogecoin, Doge, Jindo Inu, Giant Alaska Inu, LOS, and the Alaskan Malamute token, LASM. These low-value tokens caught the attention of those who missed Dogecoin's jumps from $0.0002 to almost 75 cents. Once upon a time, there was a very special dog in the world. This dog was a Shiba Inu breed and inspired people all over the world to invest in tokens with an image. According to the Shiba Inu website, SHIB is a Dogecoin killer and will be listed on shibaswap's own decentralized exchange. Shiba Inu paper revealed 3 reasons why he created the SHIB team. We started from scratch. The brilliant minds of Shiba have never collaborated before. We love Shiba Inu dogs. Taking the time to respond to his Chinese-speaking critics. Buterin, who was born in Russia but moved to Canada when he was 6 years old, hit out at Putin on the first day of the Russian military operation, claiming that the Russian leader's actions had ditched peace in favor of war and committed a crime against the Ukrainian and Russian people. He has since followed up by sharing tweets criticizing Putin and calling for an end to hostilities. And on March 9, he replied to a call to allow Russian students kicked out of universities for protesting war to signal that Europe stands with those in Russia that oppose Putin and oppose the war. Buterin wrote that the first priority was supporting Ukrainians. And he added, next, it was also really important and a priority to support those Russians and Belarusians who refuse to let Putin's zombie regime represent them and take action to oppose it. Social media observers on the platform offered their support for Buterin's call, including the founder of the crypto exchange giant Binance, Changpeng Zhao, who said that the world was lucky to have the Ethereum co-founder the resistance trendline to touch the $0.000030 mark. Shiba Inu, in the early hours of Saturday 23 April announced the commencement of the public sale of lands on its Shiba metaverse. This represents the third and final stage of SHIB, the metaverse land sale, wherein anyone interested is allowed to buy the remaining lands on the metaverse at a starting price of 0.02 ETH without the need to have locked up their $leash tokens. The bid event and the holders event, the first 2 phases of the land sale project, were driven by the leash and shibashi tokens, as only the holders of these tokens were allowed to bid and purchase lands during these phases. With the commencement of the final stage, how have the leash and shibashi performed in the last 10 days? The Shiba Inu metaverse and its new landlords. During the first 2 phases of the land sale, Shiba Inu recorded over 3,000 new landlords with a total of 12,975 plots minted. Data from Etherscan also suggested that during the bid event and the holders event, users spent 62.80 ETH to acquire lands. This was also confirmed by a statement made by Aircam, Shiba Inu's developer, where he said on the project's official Discord channel, "How many times have you raised almost $20 million in 5 days? On a crashed market. SHIB has been burned since the cryptocurrency was launched. Turkey's SHIB adoption has been growing over time as the value of the country's fiat currency, the lira, drops. Over the last 12 months, the currency has lost nearly half of its value against the US dollar, while over the last 5 years it lost over 75% of its value. While Bitcoin has historically been a favored digital store of value asset for countries in similar situations, Turkish citizens have reportedly been adopting $SHIB and $USDT as alternatives. According to CryptoCompare data, the Turkish lira represents 5.2% of SHIB's global trading volume, behind only leading stablecoins USDT and $, marked to surpass all the crucial EMAs. However, the buyers failed to sustain the uptrend after facing rejection at the descending trendline. The sellers eventually lowered the market price, resulting in a 10% retracement last fortnight after the evening star formation. The retracement cracked under all the crucial EMAs formations, and theoretically forecasted a retracement to the support users, and allows them to spend dozens of currencies at more than 80 million locations worldwide. Wirex touts it created the world's first cryptocurrency-enabled payments card in 2015. Earlier this year it expanded to the United States, and added numerous other cryptocurrencies including Polygon, Matic, Binance's $BNB, Avalanche, $VAX, and Phantom, $FTM. The second news today is Ethereum's Buterin reiterates support for Ukraine, educates Chinese on patriotism. The Ethereum, co-founder Vitalik Buterin has been hitting out at Russian President Vladimir Putin over the Ukraine war, and has even, which is expected to push the price up in the near future. SHIB holder count spikes almost 200k since the start of 2022. The amount of wallets holding SHIB has soared by almost 200,000, while in late 2021, the SHIB holder count reached a peak of 1 million. At the moment, it stands at 1,196,806 users. The second news today about SHIB price prediction. Descending triangle fallout teases 10% fall in SHIB price. On Friday, the Shiba Inu SHIB sellers breached the $0.000023 weekly support and the support trendline of the symmetrical triangle pattern. The follow-up retest phase should validate if sellers are ready to continue this downtrend, suggesting to reach the January bottom support at $0.00002. Despite a sloppy start in March, the ETH whales continue to accumulate the Shiba Inu token. As per an on-chain data provider WhaleStat, $SHIB ranks 7th on the top 10 coins held by Ethereum whales. Let's us study the SHIB2 on March 1st. The SHIB price turned down from the $0.000028 resistance. The altcoin lost 20% during the retracement, resisting the $0.000026 weekly support. The technical chart displayed a confluence of the mentioned support with the ascending trendline of the symmetrical triangle pattern. United States dollars technical chart key points. The 20 and 200-day EMA provides a negative crossover. The intraday trading volume in the Shiba Inu token is $571.6 million, indicating a 23.6% March of this year. Power reserve is approximately 70% with the current price model. The price will not return to the historical maximum for a long time. To begin with, buyers should gain a foothold above the $0.000040 level. Then they need to hold this level for 5 to 7 days, so that the price does not fall sharply again. Plus, a positive background is needed for the entire crypto market, and a fall in the dollar. All markets are in a fever because of the expectations of the US Federal Reserve rate hike on March 16th. Shiba Inu is an asset, the value of which depends entirely on the interest of investors. The more the coin is bought and used, the higher the rate. From this point of view, it makes sense to look at how the developers intend to develop the asset, attract new users, and expand the use of Shiba Inu as a means of payment. And in 2021 alone, the number of investors who purchased the coin increased by 30%, which is a lot. Even institutional investors invest in the asset, despite the fact that it is considered a meme token. Firstly, the shibaswap ecosystem, which includes a decentralized exchange and a marketplace, is currently developing quite actively. Secondly, Shiba Inu payments have become available on the largest online platforms, Amazon and eBay. Developers are seriously investing in expanding the ecosystem, which attracts users, while the scalability of using the asset as a means of payment is growing. There is every opportunity for Shiba Inu growth during this year at a minimum of 30 to 50%. We will also analyze with specific examples what to expect in the coming years from this cryptocurrency. We will start with a forecast for this year, and it sounds like this. It looks like by 2022, Shiba Inu, SHIB, prices will reach a level similar to their previous record high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $0.00003148. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Shiba Inu's maximum price could be up to $0.00003536 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. The forecast for 2023 for analysts is that they believe that the current Shiba Inu price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore SHIB could reach $0.00005183 by 2023 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $0.00004401 for 2023, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2023. What will happen in 2 years? Forecast for 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Shiba Inu could cross $0.00007358 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around $0.00006333.